It's true what they say. There's nothing more delicious than a Ding Ding Kitchen stir fry. Today, we're making scallop and sweet pea stir fry. Let me tell you right now, this dish just might blow your mind. Let's get started. Start by mincing the garlic. Next, cut a few slices of ginger. Cut the red peppers. For the sugar snap peas, make sure to snap off the ends while peeling the string on both sides. This way, the peas will be crunchy and more tender as well. This next step is optional, but I like to cut grooves into the carrots to create a flower shape. Simply make a shallow cut, then another on about a 10-degree angle to complete the cut. Continue to do this while spacing out the grooves and create about 5 petals. Once you have the shape, thinly slice the carrots. That way, it will cook through quicker. For the sauce, you'll need water, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon, sugar, dark soy sauce, and cornstarch. Give it a mix. Now prepare half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine with half a tablespoon of cooking wine. Whether you're using fresh or frozen scallops, make sure to pat dry before cooking. Now we can pan fry the scallops. I like to cook the scallops first, then set them aside so that they won't become overcooked. Simply get a nice brown on both sides, then set aside. Now in a wok on medium-high heat, add oil and stir fry the ginger. Add the red peppers. Add the carrots. Then add the garlic. Stir fry until aromatic, then add the sugar snap peas. Continue to stir fry for about a minute, then add the wine. Now we can add the sauce. After you add the sauce, immediately add the scallops. Then add a dash of sesame oil. That's it! Now we can plate.
Wow, 好味喎!
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.